Aloha, welcome to Yoga with Veronica. Thank you for tuning in. Today, let's relax and stretch with a post-flight yoga. So it's perfect if you just traveled or returning back home from a vacation or work trip. This can be done at home or even in your hotel room. Let's begin seated. You can roll your shoulders and move your body around just to settle into the body, starting to focus inwards. We'll practice a little bit of pranayama, a little bit of breath work, which helps further relax. On count of 4, taking a full breath in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold again, 2, 3, 4, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, breathe in when you're ready on 4, hold, exhale, and hold. Do it again, full breath, 3, 4, hold, exhale, hold again. Allow your breath to return to its natural flow, and then opening your eyes, stretching your arms overhead, breathe in, exhale, drop your hands down. Another breath in, stretch, exhale, release. One more, just like that, fully breathing in. Exhale, release your hands for your heart space. Then bring the arms over again. As you exhale, your left hand reaches towards your right knee. Stretch up nice and tall, lean over to the left side. Keep your shoulders nice and open. You can gaze up or gaze down, maintaining length along the spine, and you can lean in and out of the stretch as your body slowly opens up. As you exhale, releasing the right hand behind your spine for spinal twist, looking over the right shoulder. Try pull with your chin further back as you exhale. Give it one more full breath in. Find some room, feel your spine, exhale, twist. Breath in, starting to rise the right hand, bring it over in front of you, grabbing the left knee, giving some attention to the spine after the long flight. So really imagine seated cat and cow. As you inhale, you pull your shoulders back, gaze upright, and as you exhale, you round your spine, drop your head down. Little by little, exaggerate that movement more and more. Breathing into the back of the heart space, and then round and pause here for a moment. Keeping your arms wrapped, we'll move onto eagle arms. You can also drop your hands towards your shoulders. Lengthen up as you inhale, exhale, round your way in, elbows towards your belly. Keep that movement. Breath in, rise and open. Exhale, release your back. Another inhale, rise up. See if you can bring your arms even higher, maybe a little back bend. Exhale, roll it down. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Pay attention to your spine. 1 more. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold and curve yourself in. We pause here. Maybe adding some gentle movement by swaying from side to side. Let your arms drop further away from your face and relax your shoulders down. Let's give it another full breath in. As you exhale, start to untangle your arms. Next inhale stretches you up. Exhale, right hand reaches for your left knee. Stretch up nice and tall, and then exhale, lean over to the right side. Breathing to the bottom left of your rib cage. Keeping your shoulders nicely stuck, so left shoulder pushes slightly back. Inhale, let's lift and transition into our spinal twist. Left hand drops behind your spine, looking over the left shoulder as far back as you can. Keep your spine supported with pressing that left hand against the ground or moving it closer in. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, twist some more. Breath in, rising that left hand, coming through the center, crossing the hands in front of you, adding a spinal movement. Breath in, reach up. Exhale, round and release. Few more. Breath in. Exhale, round your spine, drop your head. Another inhale, lengthen for your spine, for your neck. Exhale, arch and release. Inhale, rising up one last time. Exhale, release down and hold here, pulling your shoulder blades apart, relaxing your head, your neck. And rolling your spine, let's stretch. Either dropping your hands to your shoulders or eagle arms, but make sure your elbows are crossed, so you might need to squeeze your way in. Breath in, rise up taller. Exhale, elbows to your belly. Breath in, rise. Exhale, round in. One more time, let's stretch up, maybe gentle back bend. Exhale, elbows to your belly button. Two more, inhale, rise up. Exhale, lower down. Last one, stretch your spine, lift your arms, gaze up. Exhale, elbows to your belly. Really relaxing those shoulders, the head, separating the hands away from you. Gentle movement wherever you need to. Take one more inhale. Exhale, you can start to unroll your arms. Stretching your arms up to the sky or the ceiling. Exhale, cactus arms, squeezing your elbows back, your shoulder blades together as you release your hands. Take a moment to roll out your shoulders, offering your neck a couple of head circles. Also wonderful after a long flight or some stressful travel-related scenarios. Let's slowly transition into tabletop, making sure your wrists are beneath your shoulders, your knees are beneath your hips. We keep the focus on the spine with some cat and cow to ease any travel-related tension or stiffness. Inhale, rise your head up, drop your belly into your cow stretch. Exhale, arch your upper spine, drop your head down, tailbone under in your cat. One more round of these soothing stretches. And then exhale, pressing your sit bones towards your heels. You can join your toes, moving into a child's pose. Keep your arms extended for a moment, just still lengthening through the sides of your body. You can even wrap your triceps inwards, actively pressing the tailbone towards your heels. And then rising up as you breathe in, open and tuck those toes. Exhale, press your way into down dog. Notice your hamstrings, again, probably pretty tight after a long flight or moving, transitioning around. So take your time as you pedal your feet out, being mindful and kind to your body. Let's give it another full breath in. Can you tilt your tailbone slightly higher up? Exhale, drop your knees down, toes together, making your way into child's pose, this time flipping your palms up to the sky. Similar what we just did with the triceps, I want you to slide your elbows as far away from your body and then wrap those triceps in, resting your tailbone towards your heels. Keep your body moving and swaying from side to side if needed. Flattening those hands down, breath in, let's rise up through tabletop. Exhale, second downward facing dog. Still paying attention to your hamstring. Reminder to tilt that tailbone up to the sky and almost away from your upper body. Pedaling your feet as needed. Let's give it one more deep breath in. As you exhale, you walk your feet towards your hands. Keep the knees bent to let that happen. Transitioning into a ragdoll. So the focus here is on releasing the spine, not stretching as much. So definitely bend the knees. It's almost like you're resting your belly on your thighs. Shake it out, sway it out, nod your head, say yes, say no. Same for your arms and for your shoulders, complete upper body relaxation. Take a full breath in. Relax a bit more as you exhale, dropping your hands down to the ground, making your way back into a downward facing dog. Noticing the back, keep your spine nice and long and extended, and you can keep those triceps wrapped in to create that length along the sides of your body. Let's give another full breath in, full breath out. Start to drop your knees to the ground. Another child's pose. Let's do wide knees this time, toes together, either dropping the elbows to the ground, grabbing the opposite elbows, resting your head on your arms, or you can transition into a tricep stretch by placing the hands together in a prayer and dropping them into your upper neck. Slide those elbows as far away from your body as possible and even give them a little squeeze towards each other. Melting into your heart space. Softening into your chest with every exhale. Notice your body relaxing. Give it a full breath in. Exhale, release your hands down to the ground and then move them across your mat to the right side. The goal is to keep the left arm as engaged as possible, pulling down towards the ground through your armpit. Let's take a breath in, lift up halfway. Transition to your left side, same way this time the left arm is engaged. The elbow is off of the ground, trying to lower through the right shoulder. Taking a full breath in. Exhale, gradually making your way back to the tabletop, and then lean in and out of our wide-legged child's pose, transitioning slowly back and forth. Taking it nice and gentle to begin with, and as your body adjusts, you can add more and more into the movement to the point that you almost in an upward facing dog. As you lean to the top of your mat, your feet can peel off of the ground and even move around. When you're ready, transition your way back into your child's pose. This is where we're going to rest for a moment longer. Grabbing the opposite elbows, create a little pillow for yourself. Let your head rest, either your forehead or you can turn your head sideways. Bringing the focus back towards your breath. Take a moment to check in with your body. Notice if you feel a little more refreshed. The goal of this short practice was to help you unwind and ease any travel-related tension and stiffness. Notice if you were able to achieve exactly that, and feel free to stay here for as long as you need. Thank you so much for tuning in with me for this 10-minute gentle yoga sequence of poses and breathing exercises to help you feel rejuvenated and take on your travels. Don't forget to subscribe, see my other yoga video classes. Mahalo and namaste.